Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Toyota Camry SE. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 91,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.